The black-winged stilt bird. The black-winged stilt is a large black and white waders with long orange-red legs and a straight black bill. It has black on the back of the neck, a white collar and a red iris. Both sexes are similar, and the plumage does not change during the year. Black-winged stilts give a repeated high-pitched barking call. Young black-winged stilts lack black on the back of the neck and have gray-brown wings and back, speckled with white. The black-winged stilt has a wide range, including Australia, Central and South America, Africa, Southern and Southeastern Asia and parts of North America and Eurasia. The black-winged stilt is a social species, and is usually found in small groups. Black-winged stilts prefer freshwater and saltwater marshes, mudflats, and the shallow edges of lakes and rivers. Black-winged stilts feed mainly on aquatic insects, but will also take mollusks and crustaceans. They prefer to wade in shallow water, and seize prey on or near the surface. Occasionally, birds plunge their heads below the surface to catch subaquatic prey.
Join us and make like, subscribe and share for our videos.